Can brain cells repair itself after a stroke? The answer is yes, by a process called neuronal plasticity. I am Dr. Srinivasan Paramasavam, neurosurgeon and neuroendovascular surgeon at Apollo Hospitals and Apex Medical Center, Chennai. We are born with about 85 to 100 billion neurons in our brain, and these neuronal cells are arranged in certain order. For example, we call certain areas as eloquent regions. Those eloquent regions are responsible for certain functions. For example, movement of the hand, movement of the leg, understanding speech and speaking. All those regions are eloquent regions. There are other regions of the brain which are supportive regions, and these regions are all connected by wires. These are the myelinated neuronal fibers which connect one region to the other. For proper functioning of the brain, we need those functional areas and this supporting wires to conduct fibers so that we perform a coordinated activity. However, as we age, by a process of attrition, we lose those functional neurons over a long period of time. But when stroke hits, we lose a lot of neurons of the functional area and the associated myelinated fibers in a very short time. And these dead neurons do not recover. Unfortunately, our neurons do not have the ability to grow back. And the person suffering stroke is left with significant disability, not able to perform the function that those neurons were doing in the past. During rehabilitation, we focus on relearning. With relearning, there are new synaptic connections that develop in the brain so that the existing neurons which are not affected by stroke take over the lost function, and this process is called neuronal plasticity. And this is a time-taking, painstaking process and happens over a period of time, and the patient can start to function again to a fairly decent level if they are sustained with their efforts. The brain can regain its lost function and repair itself by the process called neuronal plasticity. It's not an easy process, but still it is possible.